welcome to the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus, and it is the 8th of December 2023. I'm your guide to everything crypto, Nike Oshunniyi. Let's jump straight into the headlines. Coming up, judge orders Binance founder CZ Changpeng Zhao to remain in the US until the sentencing. Shifting gears, Nigerian Internet Fraudster swindled victims across the US, Rwanda, and 10 other countries. More interestingly, El Salvador introduces the Bitcoin Freedom Visa, priced 10 times higher than other options. Lastly, Armenia's cultural treasures tokenized via Solana blockchain. Upcoming blockchain events and more to come. Quickly on the market trades today, Bitcoin is at $43,000, Ethereum is at $2,000, BNB is at $235, Solana is at $71, and dollar to naira rates are still above 1,000 naira to a dollar. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. In recent news, Binance founder Changpeng Zhao CZ has been directed by a federal judge to stay in the United States until his sentencing in February. This decision, made by Seattle District Court Judge Richard Jones on the 7th of December, is based on concerns of potential flight risk if Zhao were to return to the United Arab Emirates. Now, Zhao faces a maximum sentence of 18 months in prison after pleading guilty to money laundering on the 21st of November. He has also agreed not to contest any sentence up to that length. Now, Judge Jones highlighted Zhao's substantial wealth and assets abroad, along with his lack of ties to the United States, agreeing with prosecutors who expressed doubts about ensuring his return if he left the country. Now, given Zhao's family residence in the UAE and his elevated status there, the court found insufficient evidence to demonstrate that he wouldn't flee if allowed to return. Consequently, the court has granted the government's motion mandating Zhao's presence in the continental United States from the time of his plea until his sentencing. Coming up next, taking things to Africa, on Thursday, December 7th, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) in Nigeria secured a conviction against Eze Harrison Arinze in an Abuja court. Now, Arinze, alias Charlotte Bryan, was found guilty of defrauding 34 victims earlier across 13 countries, totaling $592,000. Now, he admitted to impersonation and obtaining funds under false pretense by running a fake investment platform named Digitrade's NetXXXX. On Telegram, Justice J.K. Omotosho of the Federal High Court sentenced Arinze to 3 years in prison with an option of 3 million naira fine. Additionally, he is required to restitute 11.07 bitcoins valued at $461,280.70 to the victims and forfeit assets worth millions to the federal government. Now, this case unfolded as evidence from emails, digital currency platforms, and a Telegram page codenamed Digitrade pointed to Arinze's fraudulent activities, making a crucial victory for the EFCC. In other news, El Salvador unveils a new citizenship by investment initiative. Now, this program, titled the Adopting El Salvador Freedom Visa program, offers residency and citizenship to 1,000 individuals. Interested parties must invest $1 million in Bitcoin or USDT with a non-refundable deposit of $999 to secure a spot. Now, while this scheme provides a pathway to citizenship, it's notably pricier than similar programs in neighboring Caribbean nations, which start at $100,000. Now, the initiative, a collaboration between El Salvador's government and stablecoin issuer Tether, aims to generate $1 billion if all slots are filled. Now, however, experts like Alcier Mine argue that it might be less competitive on a global scale compared to other citizenship offerings like those within the European Union that come at a lower cost. Wrapping up our news today, the realm of Historia Project reveals plans to use blockchain and NFTs to safeguard Armenian cultural heritage. Now, their aim is to digitize artifacts and historical sites, starting with the Carriage X digital collection. In an interview with the project's creators Ivan Gratovsky and Ian Krylov about how the tech can preserve culture and engage younger generations, they claim the project relies on a Solana blockchain for efficiency and transparency, addressing the lack of engaging platforms for digital cultural heritage. Now, Krylov highlighted blockchain's potential to solve transparency issues in preventing our history, according to him. Finally, on blockchain events to come, Digital Transformation Summit 2023. Now get ready for the Digital Transformation Summit 2023, where India's tech game gets a serious upgrade. Set for December 6, 2023, this summit is a powerhouse gathering of top minds in the country's digital realm. This summit is diving into everything from the metaverse to AI, robotics, and blockchain. It's not just talk, as it is sparking real action here. Joining for riveting panel chats, eye-opening keynotes, and some seriously immersive networking. This event isn't just about ideas, as it is also about turning those ideas into game changers for your organization. Be there to shape the future of digital India. Now that wraps up this week's cryptocurrency news on Cryptotvplus. Now, if you're hungry for more juicy market updates and the latest buzz in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, head over to our website at cryptotvplus.com and catch us on our social media as well. We're on Facebook and X at CryptoTVPlus. We're also on Instagram as well at official CryptoTVPlus. Now don't miss out on our daily scoop by subscribing to our YouTube channel as well. And hit that notification button so you're always in the loop. And hey, got burning questions about any of our stories or any of our news at all? Drop them in the comment section below and let's get the conversation started. Big thanks for tuning in. I'm once again Nike Oshunniyi. Until next time, stay crypto savvy.